To determine if there is sufficient capacity on the bus duct, you should use section 220.4 to find the maximum loads. Section 220.4a, maximum load on a branch circuit or feeder, states that the maximum load on a branch circuit or feeder shall not exceed the current rating of the circuit or feeder. The current rating is the maximum current that the circuit or feeder is designed to safely carry. To determine if there is sufficient capacity on the bus duct, firstly, identify the current rating of the bus duct. In this case, it is 600 amps. Secondly, determine the currents drawn by the existing loads. You have a 200 amp Whitney machine, a 400 amp laser machine, and welding outlets. The current draw for the welding outlets depends on their specific outlets and usage. Thirdly, calculate the total load by adding the currents drawn by all of the existing loads. Fourthly, compare the total load to the current rating of the bus duct. If the total load is less than or equal to the current rating of the bus duct, then there is sufficient capacity to add the new machine. It is important to consider overcurrent protection. Ensure that the bus duct is properly protected against overcurrent conditions. Also, verify that the voltage drop on the bus duct will be within acceptable limits when the new machine is added. Check if the conduit used for the bus duct has sufficient fill space for the additional cables that will be needed for the new machine. Based on the information provided, it is difficult to determine with certainty whether there is sufficient capacity on the bus duct to add the new machine. You should consult with a qualified electrician to assess the specific conditions and make a determination.